Today I am going to discuss the class 4th mathematics. In previous grade, means 3rd standard, you have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication and division and according to the place value chart. Correct, right? So you are now updated. So you came to 4th standard. So there is some changes while you are doing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. See, so here I have brought a new concept of rounding of the number nearest to 10, 100, 1000. So you know the place value. According to the place value, so we are going to rounding off any figures. Then later we are going to apply mathematical operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let us start now. See, so rounding off the numbers nearest to 10, 100, 1000 I had written. So how you have to work out rounding of any number? Is there any technique to solve the rounding of number? Yes, it is there. See, I have used my two hands, fingers. So to understand, to make more easy to understand the concept to solve, to round off any figure. See, you people know decimal numbers. It starts from 0 to 9. Then I had written in my right hand, I have started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See why I had written like this? What is the use of that? I have splitted the decimal numbers 0 to 4 one side and 5 to 9 one side. Why? Because while you are doing the rounding off, you have to keep in mind this technique. So, for example, if you get any number in unit place 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is below 5 numbers. So, there is a one technique. You shouldn't change any 10th place number. You keep it 0 unit place number while you are doing rounding off nearest to 10. One more technique. So, if you get a number in the unit place 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any out of these numbers, while you are rounding off nearest to 10, you have to change the 10th place number of the next which they are given. Then you make it unit place 0. These are the technique while you are rounding off nearest to 10. So we'll solve the problems. First problem, 5314 they are given. So we'll check out once again place value. 4 is in the unit place, 1 is in the 10th place, 3 is in the 100th place, so 5 is in the 1000 place. So you can easily identify this is 5314. Now, so we have to round it off nearest to 10. While you are round it off nearest to 10, you have to concentrate both only 10th places and unit places. So there is a first technique. You understand the unit place number which they are given. Is that number below 5 or above 5? You have to concentrate. See, in unit place they are given 4. That is right hand rule. You just remember this technique. For your reference I am saying right hand rule means below 5 numbers is there in unit place. You keep it 10th place as it is, make it unit place become 0. Which means 5010 is the answer for this. We'll go for second one. So 8767 which means 8767. So you just concentrate 10th place and unit place. In unit place, so there is a number that is 7. It comes to left hand reference rule. So it is above 5 number. So in that situation, you have to change 10th place number of the next number which they are given and make it unit place become 0. So now 8,700 and so this we need to change it because unit place number is above 5. So 6 becomes 7, then 0. Let us go for the next problem. 1235. 1235, that is 35 is the 10th place number and in unit place 5 is there. That also comes in left hand rule, reference rule. So which means you have to change the 10th place number of the next number which they are given real. So that is 3 becomes 4, then unit place becomes 0. Now go for the next problem, that is fourth one, 10,432. Unit place number, that is 32. Sorry, 10th place number 32. Unit place number is 2. 2 in the sense right hand reference rule. So you have to keep it 10th place as it is and 0 place, unit place you make it 0. Okay. So these are the numbers, techniques to round off nearest to 10. We'll go for the next higher version, nearest to 100. We can round it off now. While you are rounding it off nearest to 100, so which is the technique? In 100, if you split 100, you will get 50-50. So we can take it that we can make it use of that. So below 50 numbers right hand reference rule, above 50 numbers left hand reference rule. Okay. So in the unit place, 10th place, you just concentrate below 50 numbers is there or above 50 numbers is there. So in the first example 8,150, while you are round it off nearest to 100, you have to concentrate 100 place, 10th place and unit place. So in 10th place, so there is a 50. So 50 is there, left hand reference rule. So you have to change 100 place and remaining places make it 0. Means 8,200. Okay. Go for the second problem. That is 5,483. In that 4,083 in the 100 place. So that is 83 is in the 10th place and 3 is in the unit place. So now 83 is above 50. Again left reference rule. So you change the 100 place, that is 5 and remaining becomes 0, 0. So now go for the next one, that is 608. 608. So 10th place and unit place, 10th place 0, unit place 8 is below 50, right hand reference. You keep it 100 place as it is and remaining terms you make it 0, which is 4,600. Last one, so 23,793. So in that 793, 93 is above 50. So you have to change 100 place. So answer is 23,800. This is how we are going to round it off nearest to 100. Okay. So last one. So rounding off nearest to 1000. So how you are going to use the technique? So if you split the 1000 as a 2 terms, that is 500, 500 you can able to split. So above 500 left hand rule, below 500 right hand rule. You just concentrate while you are solving the problem. Nearest 1000, so 9,211 they are given. So in that, so 100 plus 211 is there. Okay. So below 500, what we have to do is right hand reference rule, that is 1000 place keep it as it is, remaining terms become 0. Very easy. So go for the next one, that is 28,564. So here we are rounding off nearest to 1000, not 10,000. So 8,564 you have to concentrate. In that 564 is above 500, left hand reference rule. You have to change the 1000 place, that is 29,000. Remaining term becomes 0. Go for the next. So 65,932. So in that 932 above 500. So left hand reference. So you change the 1000 place, that is 6600. Last problem, 5,12,642. So in that you concentrate 2642 because round it off nearest to 1000. So now mark 100 place, that is 642. So above 500 again, left hand reference rule. So you have to change the 1000 place, which means 5,13,000 is the answer. This is how we are round it off nearest to 1000. See, in this chapter they'll ask round up first, which they are given the figure. Then later they'll ask mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Hopefully this video is helpful for you people. Thank you.